Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you an update on the blueberries in the cage that I made in my other video. Now if you notice, there's a whole lot of blue ripe blueberries in here.
Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. I'll get another one prettier than you.
If this cage was not here, there would be no blueberries whatsoever. In fact, I've already picked a few days ago a whole bowl of blueberries. And this is what's here now. Pretty amazing. Okay, so when you get a bowl, I'll start picking. Yeah, and I just wanted to show you what I just picked. There's plenty more still on those trees. Pretty impressive. And you could expect to do this about 3 times a week. Twice to 3 times a week. Pretty cool. Lots of blueberries. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my video channel here on YouTube. And check out my blog at www.cooking-italian-recipes.com for great Italian recipes, tips on organic gardening, winemaking, and herbalism, and all other kind of fun stuff that I'm into. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends. Take care.